Welcome back, everybody, to our update for SMCI price action. Before we go further, remember, guys, our content here is only for educational purposes. We will not provide any financial advice, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, first of all, guys, SMCI is kind of consolidating sideways after the earnings that we got last Tuesday. As everybody knows, we have kind of a negative earnings. However, after this pullback, really juicy pullback, to be honest, guys, almost 22%, we got a bit of accumulation zone here. We consolidate for almost 1 week. So everybody asking what's going on right now because we up, down, and we didn't have any retest for the 48.66. So for now, guys, usually when stock have this kind of pullback, there's two scenarios. Either a major reversal quick after this drop is mean there's a buyer who buying the dip, but for this case we don't have this buyer. Is mean we have to wait a bit. The second scenario is going down and consolidate for a while, like what happening right now for SMCI, waiting for another major news will give us a bit of kick up toward the 48 and 50 once again. So those two scenario is always happen for many stocks. SMCI last time it dropped, then jumped up after few days. It jumped not normal, it jumped almost 50% up. Even before we dropped 10%, not 20% last time, but this time 25% is a big drop. However, the good thing is we kind of right now consolidating over the 48, and the last low that we tested before it was 44, so it's not bad because we didn't continue to go down, and now we're trying to retest a new high around the 48.66. So now what we should do, first of all, we waiting for a retest around the 48.66, so we just missing only 5% to confirm a reversal from this drop. After that, we have the 51.65 and the 55 to confirm the first leg of reversal, and the major reversal zone should be around the 59.40 or around the $60 to confirm a major reversal for SMCI and go to all-time high. In the meantime, guys, just watch out for the 48.66, and the drop that might happen if we didn't break the 48 is around the 43, 40, and 39, which is the bottom at least for this month. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think for the price action for SMCI will go. In the meantime, remember, tomorrow we're gonna do our live streaming as usual, and before that, we always do update for our hunters here on our Discord. Yesterday we did for plug, and of course we did another one yesterday for TRY before the jump that we got. We did many updates for TRY yesterday before the jump when the price was around 77 and we went until the 120, and another update we did today after we hit the resistance around the 116 and we dropped. So we always do update for many stocks, day trade, swing trade every day, guys. So if you want to have early access, the link in comment section below to join us and of course have access to those stocks. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.